Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to another video. And for this video, we have the 30 30 subs special, mini special because so yeah um the camera may move a bit because I am like grabbing it with my hand. So yeah, so the medium button will be Monster Ogre double pack. So yeah, this is not my house, by the way. I'm still on vacation. Sorry for the late of the Christmas special. I didn't had internet. So yeah, we got Monster Orb, engard, and Monster Ogre. So yeah, let's look at the stats. So Orb, engard, defense type, right spin 7, which is D 30. TH 17. I thought it was power, but no, I think it's Jaggy or something like that. Well, not Jaggy. I just don't know right now. Yeah, I don't know right now. Power, Jaggy, or another driver. I don't remember the name yet. So yeah, please tell me which drivers this one on the comments down below. TH 17. So yeah, we got to the main event. Monster Ogre, right spin, attack. Wait. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is not Jaggy, neither power. I thought Warbanger was the attack type, and Monster Ogre was the defense type, but yeah, it's not like that. Monster Ogre is the attack type, and Orb Angar is the defense type. Wait. Yeah, please tell me which drivers this one on the comments down below. So yeah, Monster Ogre, attack, right spin. The 60, which I just forgot the name of. Corey. Wait, it isn't Corey. It's like the one that I may tell the disc later on the comments. And we got Octa that I don't know why it is a attack type. So yeah, by the way, Orb Anger, wait. Okay, so drop frequency is 2 and runtime is 4. Monster Ogre, drop frequency is 4 and runtime is 2. So y'all, let's unbox this thing. Okay, so yeah, here we got Orb Anger. Yeah, it's a recolor basically. With the QR code if you want to scan it. This is of course not the metal balls, plastic balls thing. And actually, I saw anger, but never thought it was from this snakes or hydras. I don't know. Or Agus basically. And yeah, look, yeah, it's a very metallic color, but it's not metal, of course. It's Hasbro. What do you expect? Well, the drivers, SBM drivers have metal, and Switch had metal. Turbo had metal only when basically in Hypersphere didn't had any metal on the disc. Basically, so yeah. I actually like the skin a lot. Like this recolor is sick. So yeah, here we pass to the driver. Nothing special 7, which is a very good driver. I only had one driver of those, so that's pretty good. So okay, so here we have what is called TH17. I don't know which drivers this like the name. Please tell down in the comments. It seems to have a pretty good spring actually. So yeah. Nothing special. Oof, the lights went down a bit. Sorry. So yeah, nothing special. Let's see how are the slopes. Okay, it's tight, but like not like that kind of tight. But I don't think it will burst a lot because of the shape. It's different type. Yeah, it's tight, but not like insane slopes. Oh yeah, by the way, I found Methodus and the seal trunk, the Yoki seal trunk. Lol, but I didn't buy it, lol. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. Oops, sorry. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look. The ship was just Ogre. I remember the turbo version that was like, yeah. I mean, like the like the things. This ogre right here looks this 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 one the one with the mouth open looks very cool. I mean, yeah, awesome, dude. So yeah. Wait a minute. Why does like Monster Ogre has a lot of stamps and attack type? Wait, bruh. Okay, so yeah. Here we pass to the rank, which is Monster. Looks very cool, actually. Like the green with black. It's good. But it's like a modified version of. It's actually a modified version of like the sword, like the sword, base. Yeah, the base is pretty good. Like, let's take a look at the difference. Yeah, it's sort of slightly modified. Yep. Wait a minute. Okay. Yep. So yeah. Okay. So now we pass to B60. I forgot the name. I think it was linear. It wasn't quartz. I mean, I really forgot the name, man. How could I? I will put the name down in the comments, so don't worry. Yeah. Um, pretty used with perfect Phoenix on competitive. So yeah, nothing special. Now let's pass to Oct. I think this is Octa. Supposed to be Octa. I think Hypersphere. Don't know why it's attack type. But yeah. Um, nothing special. Looks so like this thing is. This host right here reminds me of the normal Octa. That makes you know it's Octa, but like these two hosts, yeah, but probably normal Octa. So yeah. So yeah, let's see how tight the slopes are. Okay, so it's not that tight, but I have heard they say like the how do I say it, like the oops, the lights went off. Like the even though the slopes doesn't feel that strong, they feel weak. It doesn't burst quite often, so that's something I want to test out. So yeah, let's pass to the test battles. By the way, just to let you guys know, I may use this sparkle launcher with or anger. So yeah, learn. So yep, let's pass to the test battle now. Okay, so yeah, let's first go with the battle contenders of this guy of Orb Anger. I chose the base. Okay, so yeah, the base will be Gargoyle that will be facing both base Gargoyle and these two guys, Golden Judgment Dragon and my own custom bait combo, how the K-Nots Gravity Atomic. So yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Judgment Dragon. We'll use this for the launcher. So yeah. Go shoot. Okay. Okay, good attack by Orb Engard, and it went by Survivor Finish. Probably because I was using the Sparkle Launcher. Okay, so yeah. Battle 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so Orb Engard wins. Oh my gosh. Good. That's good. Okay, so yeah, let's go with Gargoyle. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Shoot. Oops. Life went on. Okay. First. That's good. Okay, okay. So yeah, our anger definitely wins everything. Whole battle. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, the base monster Ogre will be facing will be Sword Voltriac stock, Cyclops stock, and Gargoyle stock. So yeah, let's go. First we'll be facing Cyclops. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay, let's see how this goes. Oh, okay, pretty good hit. Okay, that was easy. Okay, now let's go with Gargoyle. 3, 2, 1. Go. Shoot. Okay, Monster Ogre. Monster Ogre doing pretty good. Oh my god. Gargoyle. Okay, so Monster Ogre went. No damage with the slopes. Okay, so yeah. Let's do one more round. Wait. I mean, Monster Ogre will lose because, like, the Hyperspheres when lose a lot of damage because they go around a lot. So yeah. So yeah, but Monster Ogre's a lot better than Gargoyle. Now look at this. Okay, so yeah, let's go to the left tender before battling these two. Sorry about trick, so yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Survivor finished? Yep, Survivor and Butcher was almost traversed in and Monster Ogre. Nothing to damage, so yep. Okay, dodging basically first. So yeah, let's go with the first battle. Okay, so yeah, let's go with Orb Engard versus Monster Ogre. Go shoot! Go shoot! Oh my gosh, Monster Ogre bursted! What the? That was a very good hit, probably. Oh my gosh, I'm still surprised Monster Ogre bursted. Well, let's go. 3. I will use this launcher. 3, 2. Okay, that was Monster Ogre burst again. I'm gonna be like. Okay. That was good. Ooh, engard. Oh, almost came back. Wait a minute. Why am I just only using the climb thing? Yeah, I will be taking this off for a last round. So yeah. Okay, so we'll be using the sparkle launcher once. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Go. Ah, man. Let's just do it to 5 points. Like, what the? 3, 2, go. Shoot. Not sure if you're bursting. No, man, no. I won't count that round basically because like I basically launched Monster Ogre like directly to. I'm gonna launch Ogre first. Okay, now reverse. If reverse probably engard. Wait a minute. Probably engard is Monster Ogre's weakness, I guess. Yes, Mr. Devilos. I mean, it gives a lot of like things. I mean, yeah, weakness because the bird is defense type. Okay, so payback. Last round. 3, 2, 1, go. I used this sparkle launcher, yep. Okay, I hope Ogre wins, even though I launched with the sparkle launcher. Okay. But yeah, probably Engard will win that one because of damn. I mean, Monster Ogre. Oh my gosh! Basically, Monster Ogre took the battle by like 1 point. So yeah, Monster Ogre has a lot of steam, even though it's dark type. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this minute special. Subscribe is special, and I hope you guys share, like, and subscribe, please. Be sure to check my previous video. The Merry Christmas special.